It's the traveling shoes!
Hey everyone, and I finally made it to the party. It's about 5 o'clock, so the party doesn't start till 7. But yeah, it's like a little after 5. 5:30. But the party doesn't start till 7, so we're just gonna walk through the line over here. I gotta get my bag. I got my wristband right here. And I don't have my bag yet, so I gotta get one of those, and we'll see what they've got for us over in the treat area, and then we're gonna go start doing party stuff.
Let's do it.
This way to Mickey's Not So Scary. That's where we're headed.
This is the line to take a photo on the. That's cute. You take a photo on that car, on the bus.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
With the sign.
Look at that, Mickey Mouse. Halloween wreath. Wristbands.
Wristbands. Hi, I'm at the airport. Love wristbands. All the way up. Thank you.
Yeah, wristbands. Enjoy the party.
We got wristbands.
Got my wristband. It says Halloween party on there. Oh, look at this, a DJ back here.
Before Christmas.
Oh God.
We got a witch DJ.
The literal definition of Halloween
Whoa!
is here.
Hey, Sally, DJ.
The literal definition of Halloween is here.
How'd you get out of the mansion? I'm sure you'll make your way back. I'm here.
Hey, thanks. Thanks. Got my bag. Who to you? Halloween party.
We finally got it.
Finally got my bag. That's more M&Ms.
Oh, Willa.
See what else is going on through here.
Yes.
Whoop. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gotta do some dodging. Dip, dive, duck, dive, and dodge.
It's so hard, isn't it? So hard. Yeah, they're coming.
Look at that.
Someone has to do it, and it will be me.
Got some Halloween M&Ms up on this side. We got some bubble wands over here. Let's see what they got going on here. Some bubble wands, some light necklaces for the light. Light up pirate's sword. Crazy.
Yes, good. Don't do your assignment. Yes.
Hey, that was cool. That little entryway. Got to see some Cruella de Vil.
Yeah, that was definitely cooler than the Buzz Lightyear spin line. But I stood in the sun for 20 minutes and then just got the.
And
bag.
I got my bag here.
That was worth the entrance.
What's in the bag?
I got an M&M, caramel M&M.
Let's see what I got. We're gonna come over here to the trash can. See what I got. All right. What? I got caramel
You also
M&Ms. That must be what everyone's getting. Caramel M&Ms.
This is what we both got.
And we're gonna use these for maybe some trick-or-treating later when we go to the around the park trick-or-treating spots. Check it out. They got the Legend of Sleepy Hollow.
This is where
Beware, take care.
Mom and I took a photo here earlier.
Oh,
we knew the
nice.
line was going to be what it is now.
Oh, look at this. There's a little bit of a line. You know, just a casual line. Oh, I like they got some Roosevelts with
No, I saw those
Haunted
on
Mansion. Those are pretty cool. Still like mine better. I got the Pain and Panic going on.
I like mine best because I got it from my brother.
Oh, Animal, yeah.
I think he fits the Halloween vibe.
He does, yeah. Animal's
Without
Halloween.
being
It's not crazy, but he is.
apparently-
He is like. I feel like he's a Halloween guy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know what the lines are looking like, but we were talking about definitely want to do Space Mountain at some point.
I mean,
but I don't know.
The overlays start until 7.
They don't start till 7, so we can't do it till 7 to get the overlay. But maybe we'll go ride something random if the lines are short and then come back and do Space Mountain right at 7. We'll see. Okay, here is the Mickey's Halloween party. This is the stuff to do in the map. I know Corbin already showed the map, but here's some of the stuff. So it shows Boo to You, Take In Sights and Halloween Delights. So different things. You can meet Mickey Mouse Town Square, trick-or-treating throughout the park, get a complimentary treat bag, which we got, and we can get some different candy as we go around. There's the treat bag. And then we'll get some candy. We'll stop at a couple of the trick-or-treat spots. Some of the Halloween-specific entertainment. We've got the Boo to You Halloween Parade, 8:15, 11:15. We're gonna do the 11:15 parade. Why? Because it'll be a lot less people at the 11:15, and so we won't have to be out waiting as long, so we'll get to do more for the party by doing the later parade. Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular. This is also like a really cool thing at this party, but we're gonna do the midnight show. See, August 15th to 26th, they do it 3 times, 9, 10:30, and midnight. We're gonna do the midnight show because we're gonna do it right after the parade. And they've got some other cool stuff going on. They've got the Cadaver Dance instead of the Dapper Dance, Barbershop Quartet, Rusty Cutlass, Disney Junior Jam, Zombeats Dance Party, from Zombies 4, Dawn of the Vampires. They've got also Halloween Fun and Storybook Circus. So what they've got there is they've got like the Fab Five dressed up as Halloween in like their Halloween costumes.
Yeah, they look really good.
So I don't know if we'll get there or not. We'll see. I mean, we're definitely gonna try to do some character stuff just to get a view of at least a few of them, but we'll see what the time looks like. And then the Disney Not So Spooky Spectacular, that's the Halloween fireworks, and we're definitely going to be doing that.
And we really want to try, right here they say if you just want the fireworks you can be in Tomorrowland and Fantasyland, but we want to try to be in front of the castle.
Yeah.
They have really cool projections on the castle.
Yeah, so we're going to try
during that show.
Yeah, so we're going to try to do the castle if we can. That's the goal, is to try to do the castle. And then Corbin already showed this, but here's the map. They've got all the different trick-or-treating spots where the pumpkins are at. And then it kind of shows you all the different trick-or-treat locations, like Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Market Street Welcome, Tortuga Tavern. Yeah, so yeah, should be a fantastic
And they do have 2 of the allergy-friendly spots as well, right at the front and in Liberty Square. It looks like near Hall of Presidents.
In case you want, there's the digital event guide. You can go ahead and scan that QR code. You can check out what's going on with the parties. All right, so I just had some food, had to get some food in me to get ready for the evening here at Cosmic Rays.
One of the best
Starlight Cafe. It's a nice quick service. I had a burger and fries. It was delicious. So right now it's 6:05. The park just closed to non-party members. And for me, so for us, we're staying, the park reopens at 7. On the app, we cannot see any of the wait times or anything like that. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit, try to find a ride we can ride pretty quickly because we want to come back and be in front of the castle at 7 in case they do anything fun to kick off the party. So let's go see what we can find. Okay, so we're getting in line right now. We were walking around. Everything's got a short-ish wait. Even Peter Pan was only 30 minutes. Mine Train for Dwarves was only 45 minutes. We're doing Haunted Mansion because we know it'll be crowded later, so we want to do it now. And here we go, 15 minutes for Haunted Mansion. We're gonna hop on this before it gets too crowded and we can check the box. Boom, Haunted Mansion at the Halloween party. All right, well that worked out perfectly. It was a 4 minutes. 4 minutes to get on right there, right at, it was like 6:10 maybe when we walked in there. So 4 minutes, just walk straight through the line, complete walk on.
It's now 6:34.
Now it's 6:34. So that was a win. Now we checked our Haunted Mansion box. It was awesome. Had a really good time doing that. And
always a classic.
Yeah, always a classic. The line's already starting to pick up for it, and it's not, the party hasn't even started yet. It's still 25 minutes till the party starts. And yeah, so now we're gonna go see what else we can get into. All right, so we went to the castle and we talked to a cast member, and they were saying the kickoff later in the season at party kickoff, they do the Sanderson Sister show at party kickoff. But right now, it's not dark enough at that time to do it. So right now they still do the show, the same number of shows, but that earlier, the first show is later. So they don't do anything special at party kickoff right now, but they will later in the season.
So that's why we're heading to Space Mountain right now.
Yeah, so we're going to Space Mountain and we're gonna try to catch it with the overlay right at the beginning, because right now it's almost 7, it's like 6:50, so we're gonna hop in line now and try to catch The overlay.
Wait says 40 minutes, so I think we'll head there.
Yeah, we'll do it. Nice. And we're walking on in. Standby entrance. 40 minutes. Ooh, I can feel the air conditioning from here. This will be a nice little 40-minute. Oh, that's a side perk. At the hotter part of the party, we'll be in the air conditioning. Okay, so we're in line now. You can see the cars right here behind us. It's 8 till 7, so hopefully they'll have the overlay going by the time we get on. Yeah. Here we go. All systems go. Whoa! So dark. Pitch black. I see nothing. That was pretty crazy. Ridiculous. Jeez. That was awesome. Yeah. Okay, so we just got off the Space Mountain Halloween overlay. What was your first impression?
It was super fun. It makes it like 10 times more intense. Like my heart is still racing after that.
Yeah, it's pitch black. There's no, like a lot of times you have at least peripheral vision or whatever else is going on, but I don't know, it was just pitch black. They were blasting Halloween music, and
it was crazy.
It was fun. I had a great time. It was a lot more intense than it normally is, that's for sure. Yeah, so would definitely recommend it. Love the overlay.
So fun.
I was looking at some wait times, so what we might want to do next, and currently we've got Tron at 30. We might try Teacups is only 5. They do an overlay for that, so maybe we'll go do that.
I think we're going to Teacups for sure.
I don't know if we want to wait till it gets dark, or maybe we'll just do it now. Who knows? And then, but most stuff's like 5. Peter Pan 20. Haunted Mansion 25. The only thing
looking too bad.
The only thing with a long wait right now is to meet Jack and Sally is 60 minutes. Right now it's 7:15, so party just started. Okay, next up we are at Star Traders right here in Tomorrowland, and they have all the Halloween merch here, so we're gonna check it out here on our way to the Teacups. Here's some pretty awesome villain merch. See, they've got Hades, Scar, Cruella de Vil, and more. A Maleficent Loungefly, super evil. The shirt is $74.99, but it is a nice material, and it's a button-up, so that's pretty nice, like a baseball jersey. Here's more of the actual party merch. Got the Sanderson Sisters Hocus Pocus glow-in-the-dark shirt, $34.99. It is a cool shirt though. We got some Halloween party ears. Some cool pretzels. Look at this. Brownies in like a little cookie jar thing. Some light up stuff. There's a bubble wand. Some Crocs. Halloween popcorn. Look at this cool mug. $24.99 for the pumpkin mug. Some more Crocs. Hey, some more Halloween ears. These are kind of cool. Like jack-o'-lantern, Mickey jack-o'-lantern ears. $34.99 for those. And a nice sweatshirt. Got some more Halloween merch right here on this other island. These cool ears, more cool ears. More lights. Some pumpkin lights. This is like a Minnie Mouse ghost that lights up. There's a sweatshirt with the Mickey Mouse ghost. This is like a pink Halloween thing they got going on here. If you're into pink and you're into Halloween, this might be for you. Wow, happy Halloween. Look at this. This is the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party exclusive merch. We've got the spirit jersey, ears, purse. Oh, here's the t-shirt. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party.
How are you?
Also have the figurine ornament. It's an ornament. They have a Halloween ornament right here. It shows Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party 2025. We also have some more kind of trinket stuff over here. We got the Hocus Pocus villain spook-tacular shirt. And the back, oh, it's the cat. I don't remember the cat's name.
I forgot. I haven't seen it in a
I'll have to
while.
look it. I haven't seen it in a while. I usually watch it every year at Halloween, so it's probably been about 10 months since I've seen it. They've got this cool Headless Horseman postcard. Look at that. That is awesome.
I had to buy 2 pins.
They also have this Boo to You. It's a magnet, or it's a frame, little frame for a photo. 2x3. Glow-in-the-dark frame. And then this purse. I got this as well. With the little Mickey guy in his Halloween outfit. Happy Halloween! Alright, so what did you get?
Well, Mom and Dad gifted me this Halloween pin. So I was like, oh, I have to get another Stitch pin.
So it's the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween theme pin with Stitch on it.
Yep. And there's a bunch of different themes in there. I don't know if Chris showed you them. There was like Peter Pan. There was
I didn't
Snow
show
White.
the pins.
There was Snow White and Dopey. There was Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. There was a bunch of different ones. And then the girl asked me at the desk, she's like, well, do you want the passport pin? I said, yes, I do. Thank you so much.
That one's cool. The Mickey's like evil Mickey.
Yeah, and it dangles at the bottom.
Yeah, very cool. Awesome.
That's what we got.
Okay, we're about to do our first trick-or-treating experience here at the Monsters Laugh floor. See it? It's marked with this big inflatable thing. This guy's holding a treat sign. And we're going in. Look at her. Give me all the candy. I don't think it matters.
Have you seen the show?
Okay, here we go. We're gonna get some candy. Right here, guys, walking into the Monsters Inc. We've got people here passing out the candy. Let's see what we get.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah, candy. Perfect.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you dropped one if you want to grab it.
Here we go. Just walk. I think we're just gonna walk through. We don't have time for the show today, but we wanted to do the candy.
How's everybody doing tonight?
Hey!
All right, I love Halloween.
He's
I'm
orange.
super excited to be here. Is everybody getting lots of candy? Hi. Whoa. Oh, everybody.
Bye, thanks. That's kind of cool. It's like almost like an open Monsters Inc. where they pass out candy and just telling jokes as you walk through them. Interesting. Very fun. Yeah, so for a minute there, we were really confused.
Yeah. I won't lie, I made Chris and I turn around because I was like, I don't think we need to go on this, but there's no candy. Like, where's the candy line? I was so confused.
But then we started moving more, and we finally saw what was going on. So we got the candy there. And there's another candy spot over here next to the People Mover. We're gonna go right over here and get another handful of candy before we make our way.
Yeah, they gave us a good scoop.
Yeah, really good scoop. So we'll get some more candy before we head over to the teacups. Okay, so it's right here at Carousel of Progress. I got people walking in here to this station. You can see the line, but it's moving quick. It's not that long of a line, but it's longer than the other one was, but I think it'll go quick. We got Zombies 4, Dawn of the Vampires going on over here at the Starland stage.
Now I want all my daywalkers out there to make some noise! Let me hear you sing it!
Okay, I think we pretty much maxed out the Halloween party at Tomorrowland, so now we're making our way to Fantasyland. It's still not quite dark enough, so we're gonna walk and get maybe a little more trick-or-treating in Fantasyland. You can see right here is a line for Tweedledee and Tweedledum. There's the teacups, but we're gonna go get a little more trick-or-treating in and then come back for the teacups once it's a little darker in about 20-30 minutes.
It's so fun.
Woo! Okay, Fantasyland trick-or-treating with the red M&M right here. We're going in the Dumbo line. Hey, what's going on? Look, Dumbo's going. About to go. There it goes. There's the barn store. Honestly, a great cake. Okay, here we go. Trick-or-treating is right over here. Dumbo. I don't think I've actually ever ridden this since it's been over here. Here's some more treats at Gaston's Tavern. Got the little light-up inflatable right here. Lots of people around, and here's the line. We're gonna head on in. All right, so it is our 8 o'clock check-in. The party's officially going for 1 hour. And we have done quite a lot so far. We went and we did Haunted Mansion. We did the What else? Space Mountain. Space Mountain
was
overlay.
Crazy. I'm not kidding. My heart is still beating from Space Mountain. The intensity is crazy when you can't see anything.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome.
Crazy.
And then we've been doing the trick-or-treating. We've hit 5 trick-or-treating spots.
5.
My bag's almost full already.
Yeah.
So I think it's, like I said, it's 8 o'clock. Right now the line there's 2 long lines. Well, there's 1 long line, which is Jack and Sally, 205-minute wait.
200.
Which is over 3 hours, 3.5 hours to wait for them. And then there's a lot of people waiting for the first parade, which starts at 8:15. So it's like in 10 minutes. And, but everything else is short. Almost everything else is 5 minutes. Space Mountain's 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So
if you were to get in line for Jack and Sally right now, you would miss
everything, really.
both parades and the fireworks spectacular just to get Jack and Sally.
So it doesn't look like we're gonna be doing that tonight, probably,
It's
unless we get lucky at the end or something. But
I've heard it's a really cool character meet and greet.
yeah.
So I've heard that it's really cool, but you might want to get in line
Immediately at like 4 o'clock. People get in line at 4 o'clock.
and
Yeah.
be there waiting.
Just wait in line until it starts right at 7. So if you're gonna do it, that's probably the way to do it.
But we're having an amazing time.
Yeah, it's been great. We've waited for it to get dark so we can go to the teacups. But I think we're both hungry, so we want to try to find a Halloween snack first and then go ride the teacups. Even though that sounds like a bad idea, maybe, because eating before the teacups, but
it's not a bad idea for me.
Yeah.
I know I'll be fine.
But
someone here
it'll be fine.
has a reputation.
It'll be fine. Okay, so for our snack, we decided to stop into the Pinocchio Village House in Fantasyland because they have some party-themed stuff. So we got the entrees right here. We got a chicken parmesan, garlic parmesan chicken strips, and pumpkin ravioli. And these are them right here. So these right here, those are the chicken strips, and the pumpkin raviolis on the left.
They look delicious.
Yeah. What was the desserts?
There was a Captain Hook whoopie pie.
Captain Hook whoopie pie was another
like a
thing.
slushy with
And
the ghost.
yeah, there's a ghost slushy you could get with like a whipped cream, kind of special whipped cream on top.
It looked fun.
It looked really good. All right, giving it a taste test. The pumpkin ravioli. Here it is. Got a bunch of cheese on there. It's fried up nice. I'm gonna just try to take one bite. Crazy. Wow, it's really good. I love pumpkin. And it's really crispy, the fried ravioli, which is amazing. And the pumpkin filling is like almost like a warm pumpkin pie filling inside a ravioli. It's so good. Really, really good.
Wow, sounds good. We got the garlic parmesan chicken strip here. I love parmesan. Parmesan is good. Really delicious. They layered it up with cheese and the garlic there. 10 out of 10, honestly. Really good.
Okay, teacups are up next. We're getting in line right now. 5 minutes. We should get on this one, I think. Maybe the next one. We'll see. It won't be any longer than one extra ride, though. We're here, and we're gonna get the overlay action.
I love it. Woo.
Okay, we are in our teacup. Corbin is in charge of spinning. Let's do this. The Spin Master. And we're gonna get the epic spinning Halloween party POV. That's Twiddly and two of them over there.
Please say hello to the Mad Hatter.
Bienvenidos al Party Bar. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la casa. Y por favor, cuida a sus pequeñitos.
You could help spin.
Good.
You won't.
Maybe.
You won't.
Checking it out. Door is closed. Some folks over there. We're all full. Actually, it's not all full. There's empty teacups.
How could they?
How could they? Creepy laughing. Woo! Ride it out.
Crazy. That's fun. I like the overlay.
Please remain seated until your teacup comes to a stop. Then walk to the nearest exit.
Feeling great. Okay, so now Corbin is staking out our spot at the castle for the fireworks that are in about an hour. Now it's 9 o'clock. And I'm running over to Pecos Bill in Frontierland, next to Pirates of the Caribbean, next to Tiana's Bio Adventure, and I'm gonna grab us some desserts, some of the special party desserts. I am getting the pumpkin pie mini churros from over there, and he's gonna get their special chocolate tart as well. That's party themed. So we're gonna get a couple party exclusive snacks for our desserts. I'm gonna go pick them up, bring them back over to the castle, and we'll have them over there while we're just waiting for the 10 o'clock fireworks. Okay, here are the goods. We got the pumpkin mini churros on the left, and we've got the chocolate caramel tart on the right. I'm taking these back over in front of the castle. I'm gonna meet Corbin while we wait for the fireworks. Woo! Cheers to a mini churro.
Good evening, trick-or-treaters. We are so terribly excited for you to join us tonight as we celebrate the thrills and chills of this season. Be sure to keep your eyes open, for you never know what may happen on Halloween. Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular begins in just 10 minutes.
Wait, what time is it?
9:50.
For some reason I thought it was closer to 10. Just 2 minutes.
One for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween.
Boys and girls of every age, if you'd like to see something strange, come with us and you will see. This our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, pumpkin scream in the dead of night. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the pumpkin scream, but magic make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Today's big night for a very special guy. Arm and Jack is green for the pumpkin patch, everyone hail to a
friends. It's wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, joyful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better get that treat that's good to eat if you want to keep life serene. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Raise an awful fuss. Each one you'll find with something sweet. You better be sweet to us.
Oh, Nikki, I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go!
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. All right, so let ghosts and goblins find the store. Ring the bell on the front door. Better not be stingy or your nightmares will come true. Trick or treat.
Hey, look! A dog!
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says 0.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, I don't know, House. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
Nope, they're just a bunch of funny bones.
That music, it's so familiar.
It's coming from behind that door. Ghosts! A ghost masquerade!
They were beautiful.
You said it.
This place isn't so spooky after all.
Now it's getting scary.
Well, what have we here? You're in our world now, and it took his turn to boogie. Hey, we dance, we kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, we go home happy. What do you say?
It's time Ursula took this party into her own tentacles. We made it!
Thanks, Zero.
That was fun.
The best Halloween ever! Come on, gang! Let's go! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat for Halloween!
What a perfect Halloween tale, filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular. As you carry on with your evening, we hope you continue to experience the playful tricks and frightful treats of Halloween.
We're gonna make our way to where we're gonna watch the parade next.
Please enjoy the rest of your night.
Wow, those fireworks were amazing. I love the Jack Skellington puppet up there telling the story, and seeing all the different villains, and the fireworks were amazing. And This Is Halloween song, I loved it. That was so fun.
That's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching. Catch us in part 2 where you'll see the parade and the Sanderson sisters. See you there.